Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Buttons, button tag, size, disabled state and more. Let's start coding. I have already created project file for you guys. I'm going to start creating button with Bootstrap 5. Let's create our first button. We use button tag primary because I'm going to use primary class name. Let me add class name btn primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we have created our first Bootstrap button. Let's have a look at the rest of them. I'll just copy and paste 7 more times, and we need to just change our class names. Let's make it that one secondary, and let's make that one is success, that one is danger, that one is warning, that one is info, that one is light, and that one is dark. And let's change name of buttons too. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our buttons with hover effects. That is beauty of Bootstrap. You don't need to type lots of CSS code to give hover effects and other things. I want to show one more button, little bit different. Let me copy one of them. Let's put a HR tag here. btn link. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can create button like this too. Let's have a look at button tags. I want to copy a button from this section, and I'm going to assign a type. That type is going to be submit. We use that type when we do backend programming. For example, submitting a form. We should have type submit to submit our form. Let's assign type as a name. Let's have a look at rest of them. A tag. I need to assign a role for a tag, button, and a class name. btn, let's say dark. And close the tag and give a name, let's say button. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you don't see any difference, but when you start backend coding, you need that types. Let's have a look at rest of them. Input is another tag and we can use as a button. We just need to assign type button and a value. Input. You can assign any name you want. And let's assign class name btn primary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our input button. Let's change type of it, that one. Let's say input. Let's save it and have a look at it. It looks like button, but it doesn't. You can type whatever you want. So that is why type of button is important. It affects functionality of button. Let me copy that one and paste 2 more times. I want to use 2 different types. One of them is submit and the other one is reset. As I said before, you can add different values. The value means in this input the name of the button. That value is equal to that things, guys. So it is just text. Let's change values to. Let's change class names to warning and let's make it secondary. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see, guys, we see same buttons but different tags. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.